Hi, Bob and Brad here. We're going to demonstrate real quickly here the single best product that you should have after a total knee replacement, maybe even before to get ready for the knee replacement. After you have a knee replacement, the two critical things you want to be able to do is to get the bending back and the straightening back. And this device is going to help you do that. This is called what, Brad?
It's called the Knee Glide, and here it is. It's got the foot plate for it, and the key is it's very sturdy and has very little resistance. And you can see what we're doing here, how that applies to after a knee surgery.
So you can start off by just doing little motions here as your knee tolerates, and then later on you can go ahead and take your ankle and cross your ankles and pull back and get more stretch.
There we go.
And then if you want to get more yet, you can take your heel and push it on your toe and go back even further. You can also work on straightening here. Brad, can we work on straightening?
Sure.
Yep, you can work on straightening. You can even put it up on a device and get up a little bit higher and work on straightening even better. Go out and get your knee glide today.
Right, because you want to have a successful knee replacement surgery and get out back to normal life again. And we've got a wonderful tool for that specific device.
Thanks for watching.